Did you know you can find the cheapest flights using Google Flights? Yeah, no need to check every travel site one by one. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Google Flights to find affordable and convenient flights. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Google Flights. This is where you can search for flights just like how you'd search in Google. It is super easy. Next, select ticket type, whether it could be a round trip, one-way, or multi-city ticket. Next, set number of passengers. Then, flight class. You have your choices here to select from economy, premium economy, business, or first class. Now, enter your departure city. For example, let's use General Santa City. Then, type your destination, maybe Cebu or any other place. Select your departure and return dates since we selected a round-trip ticket. Once done, click Search. Google Flight makes it super easy to compare flights. You can sort by price, duration, or best match by clicking these arrows. If you want to receive an email update too, you may be able to toggle this on. As you can see, you'll see the departure time here and arrival time. Of course, we have the total duration and any stopovers. Now, select an airlines you would like to fly with and choose your preferred departure time. Once you find the flight you want, choose travel site which you think best. For example, this, Cebu Pacific. Just click Continue and you will be redirected to Cebu Pacific official website to complete your booking. Once again, select your preferred departure time. Select Bundle for your flights. Click Continue button. And enter passengers' details. Once done, don't forget to enter contact information details below and continue. In this section, you may add ons if you wanted to. Now, if you're happy with your add-ons, if there's any, then you may continue to see the summary of your bookings and payment. You may pay your ticket from your travel fund, credit or debit card, and other e-wallets. And once the payment confirmation has been made, you're all set. And that's it. Using Google Flights, you can make your travel booking fast, simple, and super helpful if you're hunting for the best deals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Safe travels and see you in the next one.